Hey guys, today we are going to unbox three products from Amazon. I bought it. So this is actually my Ptron Bassbuds Elite. This is my new mouse. I literally have a wireless mouse. I got a wired gaming mouse now. And this is my new headphones because my old one just broke off. So let's unbox them. Okay. So this is let's go for Ptron Bassbuds first, and then let's move on to all these three. Okay, let's go. So now let's unbox this time. Okay. I'm going to make a full review for all of these three. So we have a user manual and all these kind of stuff. I'm going to show you all these stuff. Okay, so these are the buds. Let's keep them aside. This is the case. Wow, that's nice. Now beneath it is a micro USB cable and two more of the ear tips. So let's have these and let's just get these rid off. Okay. Now let's talk about these. So let's place them first inside. Okay, this is the lefty and this is the righty. Okay, right. Why is this thing not getting placed inside? Okay, I think so with that. There are 4 indicators here and a Ptron branding here. There's also a matte skin beneath it. I don't know why is that. They could have just kept it glossy itself. So that's it. Next, let's go on to the mouse, which is a Zebronics Transformer M. These both products are from Zebronics. So let's unbox it. I think so they have just put a tape here. It's so much thin. Okay. I don't know why they put just the tape, but still let's unbox this. Man, it's tightly packed. I don't think so that's good. Okay. Now I woke up actually. Let's remove this thing. All the products came yesterday and today. Okay. So there you have it. Whoa, man. That's a really good mouse. Now we also have a user manual, which we don't have to read. And a really nice cover too. Okay, let's keep all of these aside. And let's... Wow, man. I'm just liking it so much. It's really nice. Can you hear the clicks? Man, they're really nice. And this is the scroll wheel. It's really nice. I even got a braided cables. Man. Okay. Now let's move on to the Thunder, which is the headphones. No, okay. Like that. Okay, let's go like that. Now, just pull it out. There are all of these stuff like that. So you have an aux cable, aux to aux, and you got some micro USB to USB, and the same user manual. Let's just get that thing off. Man, wow, this is pretty lightweight. I did not think it was this much lightweight. It's pretty lightweight, and this is gonna go on my headphone stand which I have made. So let's keep this thing on and let's keep everything aside. Okay, wait, yeah, two of them are here, and let's just keep it aside. Okay, so now we have this thing, and this thing. So that was the unboxing video of all these three. I'm so sorry, but I cannot give you the review now, or first impressions now, because I have to use them at least for 7 days or so, so that I'll get to know how they work. So, see the size of this. This is so much big. This is just so much small. So this is gonna replace my wireless one. It used to have only a dongle. This has wire, but this is a gaming mouse, and you got some RGB lights too. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like and share, subscribe too. Thank you. Bye bye.